can't really see out here in the dark, but it's a Westy. Alright, let's listen. There are Westinghouse escalators here as well. It's a small little elevator. It's at the Palladium, Times Square. It's got EPCO equipment. EPCO SSL. Travels a little bit. It's got the long floor pass. Almost like a train to be level. Westinghouse's name is not anywhere on that thing. I'm gonna try to. Yeah, it's much better. I could just go back here and get the picture from here. Oh, you can kind of see through the door. Anyway, that's it.